croeso I Llyfrgell of Flint. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Judith Dewey.
Yep. I'm Reg Dewey.
And I'm Chris Dewey.
We're very excited to join you in our Christmas rhyme time today, but we're disappointed that we don't see you as often as we'd like. So please feel free to come and visit us anytime. As you see, we've got lots of lovely Christmas books. So please come along. We've also got some lovely Christmas bags that you can put your books in to take out. I think Reg is hiding it there. So do come along. We're going to do a Christmas rhyme time, and we've got some instruments here as well, and I'm going to read a story in a minute. But first of all, shall we sing and welcome everybody? So, hello everyone, how are you today? Very well, thank you, we're okay. We've just begun. We're going to have some fun with music, rhythm and rhyme. Now I think we'll do it in Welsh, shall we?
We will.
Welsh.
Hello, ffrindiau. Hello, ffrindiau. Hello, ffrindiau. Hello, a sut wyt ti? Woo, that's very good.
That's brilliant.
Impressed with that.
Yeah, very
Right,
impressed.
so Chris and Reg and I thought you might like a story about Father Christmas.
Yes.
And this is called I Love You, Father Christmas. And it's got some lovely pictures in. It's dedicated to Kevin, Chris's husband.
Oh,
For
really?
Kevin, who loves Christmas, it says.
He does.
Oh,
He
right.
does love Christmas.
So here we go. Can you see the pictures? I love you, Father Christmas, in your big red suit, with your bright shiny buckles and your black shiny boots. Your beard looks amazing, and yes, you're rather fat, but you probably just like eating, and there's nothing wrong with that. Father Christmas got an enormous Christmas pudding there. Oh, that's a good picture. I love your pretty reindeer flying fast across the skies. I'll leave them all some carrots and some yummy, yummy mince pies. Oh, that sounds gorgeous. I love you, Father Christmas, and I promise I've been good. And I'm not just saying that because I know that I should. I've tried every day to be as helpful as I can. I've said my please and thank yous, and I always eat my tea. I've played very nicely with all the girls and boys. I've kept my bedroom tidy, and I've tried to share my toys. So, oh, I missed a page. And I know I'm very lucky with the way my life has been, but it's just, I do like presents, if you're getting what I mean. Hint, hint. So, lovely Father Christmas, if you visit me tonight, I swear there'll be no peeping, and we'll switch off every light. Yes, I love you, Father Christmas. You're the best. You are. Yippee! Oh, I hope you like this letter with lots of love from me. You're going to post it, right? Just written a letter.
Now hopefully I get everything I want.
Is it a big list, Reg?
It is a big list this year.
Put it in the letterbox then.
There we go.
Yay! Wonderful.
Lovely.
Right, so what's next, Chris? Are we going to
And
sing?
let's sing now. Let's all sing a song together.
Oh,
I think everybody knows this one. Here we go. One,
we
two,
go.
three.
Let's all sing a song together. Let's all sing a song together. Let's all sing a song together as we like to do. Let's all play our bells together. Let's all play our bells together. Let's all play our bells together as we like to do.
Drums, Reg. Let's all
Play our drums together. Let's all play our drums together. Let's all play our drums together as we like to do.
maracas.
Let's play our maracas together. Let's all play our maracas together. Let's all play our maracas together as we like to do. Let's all clap our hands together. Let's all clap our hands together. Let's all clap our hands together as we like to do.
Dancing
Fade a
now.
bit now.
Stand up and dance together. Let's stand up and dance together. Let's stand up and dance together as we like to do.
Hooray!
Everyone.
That was a good workout.
That was good workout.
I'm
Exhausted,
tired, I'm
Reg.
exhausted now.
Yes.
Exhausted.
Yeah.
A quiet one now.
A
isn't
nice quiet one. We all love Wind the Bobbin,
Bobbin
Up,
Up.
don't we?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, wind it back again, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands up on your knees.
Well done.
Well done, everyone. Brilliant.
We've got another clapping one, Chris.
We have. I think this is Freddie's favourite if Freddie's watching.
If you're out there,
Hopefully,
Freddie,
yes.
this is for you.
Hello,
Shout out to
Annabelle.
Freddie
Yeah.
and Sarah.
Hello,
Erin as
Sarah.
well.
And who else? Oh, there's lots.
Elliot, everybody.
Elliot.
Everyone. Luke.
Hello, everybody. So here we go.
Here we go.
Clap your hands, clap your hands,
clap them just like me. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap them just like me. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap them just like me. Clap them just like me. Boom, boom. Nod your head, nod your head, nod it just like me. Nod your head, nod your head, nod it just like me. Nod your head, nod your head, nod it just like me. Nod it just like me. Boom, boom. Shrug your shoulders, shrug your shoulders, shrug them just like me. Shrug your shoulders, shrug your shoulders, shrug them just like me. Shrug your shoulders, shrug your shoulders, shrug them just like me. Shrug them just like me. Boom, boom. Pat your knees, pat your knees, pat them just like me. Pat your knees, pat your knees, pat them just like me. Pat your knees, pat your knees, pat them just like me. Pat them just like me. Boom, boom.
I don't think Bum Bum's there.
Stamp your feet,
Stamp your feet, stamp them just like me. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet, stamp them just like me. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet, stamp them just like me. Stamp them just like me. Boom, boom.
Hooray!
That's
That was
one of my
wonderful.
favourites.
Now we've got a little song about a Christmas
Oh, we
pudding.
have,
And
and
we
we've got
got
Christmas
a Christmas
pudding.
pudding here,
Oh,
Reg.
hey, isn't that
So
lovely?
does it look very tasty?
It does, doesn't
Smells
it?
delicious.
Yes.
So are we ready?
Ready? Shall we sing that
go.
song?
Christmas pudding,
Christmas pudding,
Yum, yum, yum.
yum, yum, yum.
Christmas pudding,
Christmas pudding, yum, yum, yum.
I think we've got
Yum, yum.
Christmas pudding,
Christmas pudding, yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Sprinkle on the sugar, sprinkle on the sugar.
Left. Tum, 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 tum. That was a bit of a disaster. Never mind. I think we'd had too much brandy in the Christmas pudding.
on the pudding.
Right, so usually we would sing a song about the wheels on the bus,
Yes.
but because it's
No.
Christmas, we're going to do it about Father
For
Christmas on his sleigh. So, are we ready?
We
Yeah?
are.
Shall we go
Okay,
for
here
it?
we go.
1,
2,
2,
3.
Father
Father
Christmas
Christmas on his sleigh goes ho, 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 ho. Father Christmas on his sleigh goes ho, 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 all night long. The reindeers on the sleigh go munch, 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 munch. The reindeers on the sleigh go munch, 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 all night long. The elves on the sleigh go chatter, 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 chatter. The elves on the sleigh go chatter, 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 all night long.
dear, now
The
later.
bells on the sleigh go ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling. The bells on the sleigh go ting-a-ling-a-ling, all night long. Father Christmas on his sleigh goes ho, 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 ho. Father Christmas on his sleigh goes ho, 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 all night long. Well, that was nice.
That
I
was
enjoyed
brilliant,
that.
I
everyone.
think those elves got out during the day
I think
as
Father
well.
Christmas
Did,
enjoyed that as
didn't
I
well.
think he did.
Well, didn't he?
Right, should we have another excuse to play bells?
Yes,
Have you got
yes,
bells
we
on,
can.
Reg?
Yes,
Sounds
we've got
so
bells.
lovely.
This is what we'll be hearing on Christmas Eve. Oh,
Listen
that's,
to this one.
Oh, isn't that
Oh, that's
nice?
lovely.
Lovely.
that's
That's a
like a
lovely
fairy
one.
one.
It is.
So here
Are
we
we
go.
ready?
It's a little bit early, but we don't mind,
We
do
don't.
we?
No, we
It's
don't.
We don't
December.
mind.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Right.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Hey!
Ah, what's
sort of-
happened to Twinkle Twinkle?
Oh, Chris, you've missed
I
it.
missed it out.
Oh,
I'd be very
this one.
upset.
Right, here we go. Do
We'll
you want
have
to
to get Twinkle
I'll hold the
Twinkle.
star. There we go.
Are we ready?
Are we ready?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, it's lovely. Well remembered, Chris.
Yes, I don't know what to left that one out.
Right, well it's time for us to go now, but we hope to see you all very, very soon. And if we don't see you, have a lovely, lovely Christmas. We hope you get all the presents you want and that you deserve. So we'll say goodbye with our Merry Christmas song, shall we?
Yes, we will.
We ready? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Glad tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So Nadolig, Llawen, Llawen, hwyl fawr. See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.